Trading is not just about buying and selling the stocks. It's about constantly learning and evolving your strategies. And that's where the trading journal comes into picture. It's your personal roadmap to success in stock market. If your trading journal, it is a blueprint of your journey. Think of it as a diary where you are recording all the thoughts which are coming into your mind, or maybe the decision you are taking, or the outcomes which are coming in your life. Whenever you come up with some sort of innovative idea, you note down all of those on your diary, so that later from time, whenever you want to implement it, you have the ready-made things to do it. If you want to maintain the diary of your trades, then trading journal is the best one. With trading journal, you can pinpoint your strengths, weaknesses. You can identify the patterns of your behavior, right? You can fine tune your strategy also according to whichever the strategy which are using it. Trading journal is like a mentor who will be guiding you through every trade. Those who maintain those journaling constantly often find themselves making smarter decisions. They will be knowing what are their strengths, weaknesses. They will be able to manage their risk effectively. That is the difference. That will differentiate you from the other people who are losing in stock market, right? Now, you might be wondering how to start with trading journal. It is as simple as making noodles at your home. Then you think, most of the time people think that it is very complicated. I'm going to show you it is very, very easy. Anybody can have their trading journal written with their diary. Let me just show you what sort of things which we are going to discuss right now. Trading journal is very, very effective mechanism to start your journey. Trading journal is going to give you the small pointers where you got to work on. Now, consistency is the key. Trading journal is the place where you consistently to habit. You should in your trading journal every single day. So the topic for today is how to use effective trading journal. These are the of effective trading journal. The first and foremost component in the trading journal is called trades. Whether you are buying or selling, because you can take the both side of positions, what type of trading you are doing it, whether it is a buy or sell. Then the next data, which is very important, the date. When you keep on seeing the dates, you might come up with some pattern which works for you. You got to add the dates as part of the trading journal data. 3 to 4 years back, whenever I used to around the closing of the market, I used to lose a lot of money. When I have maintained those trading journal, I came to know that I am losing money most of the time during how I have stopped doing any intraday sort of trading up. If you maintain those timing, you will come to know where you are going wrong. You've got to maintain the time. The next one is the stock symbol, which stock you are buying or selling. You got to mention the stock symbol. The next one is called entry and exit price. So entry and exit price will tell you whether you are making money or you're losing money. So very important component of the trading journal. The next one is called reason for the trade. Now, we usually do some sort of random trades. We follow the system. Or sometimes you got to mention that why you have taken that particular trade. Trading journal will have the data that why you have taken that particular trade, the reason behind taking that particular trade, so that whenever you will be doing the analysis of all the trades, you will come to know that where you are going wrong or where you are going right. The next one is the most important one. You got to mention the emotion while doing the trading. So basically, when you are taking the position, what should be the emotional balance you are having? Whether you are having those emotional balance or imbalance, whether you had good sleep or not last night, or whether you are having some sort of good relationship with your family or not, whether you are having fight with your spouse, or all those things will come into picture whenever you are going to do the trade. It is very important for us to record all the things what was happening with in terms of the trades. Please mention all of those. It will be helpful for you to analyze your trades. The next one is source of trade. It is like, whenever you are taking the trade, you should know that where is the source. It is like if you are learning something from me, maybe we have got so many strategies. We are having MIB, we have got BTST strategies, we have got the swing trading strategy. There are some intraday strategies also. Now you got to maintain the source of that particular trade. That means from where you have learned it, whether you have learned from Tapas, whether you have learned from YouTube, whether you have got it from the Telegram. So you got to mention the source, so that later from time when you will do the analysis, you'll come to know that which source is giving you profit and which source is taking the money from your pocket. Okay. The next one is very important thing, the profit and loss, which will help you out to understand whether you are making the profit and loss. Trading journal is one of the very, very important thing, which is most ignored component in trading. Now, why I'm telling most ignored? Because many of the people don't do it. They feel that this is just waste of time. But let me tell you, if you maintain the trading journal every single day, you will be a different trader altogether after 1 year or so. This is the one which will tell you where are the leaks happening from your sheep. From where the leaks are happening, you will come to know that which are the leaks to fix. You must know which are the leaks to fix. So that's why the trading journal is going to help you out. Now what's next? Consistency is the key. Make a habit of maintaining the trading journal. Review all the trades which you are doing regularly. Learn from the past. So basically, when you maintain those things, you'll come to know that in past where you have failed. You learn from your experiences and adjust your strategy accordingly. So let's talk about any of the option buying strategy. I'm losing money from this sort of strategy. What are the impact which are coming in terms of our profit and loss? So those are the analysis which are going to help you a lot. These are some of those components which you got to use it. What next? You can do the trading journaling with different sort of mechanism. You can maintain the physical diary where you can note down with your pen and paper. You can have a digital spreadsheet. You will be able to find so many formats which are important from the perspective of learning. Let's recap what all things we have discussed. These are the 9 important traits of trading journal. You got to maintain the trade whether you are doing buying or selling. So you got to maintain the time, stock symbol, which stock or maybe index if you are buying or selling. You got to maintain the entry and exit price also, reason for the trade, why you have taken that particular trade, emotion while taking the trade, source of the trade, from where you have got that particular trade, and whether you made the profit or loss. So these are some of the 9 important components of a trading journal. I will suggest all of you to maintain the trading journal. It is very easy. You can start using your diary to maintain the trading. If you want to fix something, you know what to fix. Trading journal will help you out to understand what to fix, where you are going wrong, where you are going right. So it is very important thing. I know it is the most ignored part of the trading strategy. Most of the people think it. If you want to really get successful in stock market, if you want to be a seasoned trader, then just start right now. Don't ignore it. Please pick up your pen, paper, or you can open a small Google sheet or spreadsheet, and you can keep on maintaining your trading journal. Start journaling right now. This is the way to start. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more tips on mastering the trading journal. Until next time, happy trading, happy investment, happy learning. And of course, if you're not part of our community, we usually give many to work on in our society. So I'm going to share some of the links below this video. Please come for the amazing session where you'll come to know what we do in our society. Thank you so much. God bless you. Catch you soon on the next video.